Parents' desire to provide the very best education for their children is the unbreakable thread that connects us all. Nearly half of all children face one or more factors associated with gaps in school readiness, which can negatively affect their long-term academic achievement and attainment. And the recent COVID-19 pandemic has only worsened children's ability to access an early quality education. But Early Scholars Prep is the solution you can trust. We are the first curriculum to become Summa Cum Laude certified. Early Scholars Prep believes in providing children with an opportunity to achieve cognitively, emotionally, creatively, and socially through our developmental and holistic approach to learning. Our expertly crafted curriculum is designed for infants, toddlers, and preschool-aged children with the goal of helping children meet or exceed their developmental milestones. Our curriculum is a complete kit that includes our Infant Development and Learning Guide, our Development of Core Concepts in Mathematics curriculum, our Reading and Linguistics Development curriculum, science lessons, activities, and experiments, along with our holistic development projects and creative crafts, 7 large 20 by 16 educational posters, original storybook, games like our original board game, Jungle Wungle, and much more. All of our products are expertly designed to reinforce children's knowledge and problem-solving skills. We strongly believe that children learn best when learning is hands-on and playful. Every activity lists the specific scholar skills like spatial reasoning, observation, and listening comprehension that are being learned or strengthened to inspire children to reach their full potential. Our infants curriculum includes guided activities and games to help meet infants' needs for cognitive, social, linguistic, and emotional stimulation. We also include a teacher's manual that helps equip parents, home-based daycares, homeschools, and large children's center providers with the ability to successfully use our curriculum. No glitch or Wi-Fi determines whether or not your child can learn and have fun while doing it. We offer a premium and elite learning experience at an affordable price. When you order an Early Scholars Prep curriculum kit, you will receive all 3 complete curriculum sets for infants, toddlers, and preschoolers. Our curriculum is designed to last your child for years from infancy to the age of 5. Early Scholars Prep is more than a head start. It's a launching pad. Get your Early Scholars Prep curriculum kit today. As the school year begins increasing the demand for our premium and quality curriculum, it's important to get your Early Scholars Prep Development Curriculum Kit today. Order now at www.esprep.com. We offer free shipping and handling.